How's it going, everyone? It is Professor Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I got to go over HSDT because I just came across my scanners and it's just come across where it's like, almost the number one play that I'm seeing for a trend reversal with massive upside. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm seeing and then what I was looking at based on April 2nd. This thing had ran, 50% from this lows. Can we get another 50% gain? I think so, guys. So I'm going to go over the system, and do keep in mind, if you guys want to see the system more in depth with entries and exits of how I alert these kind of plays, join the premium Discord that looks like this. I'll put it down into the YouTube comments below and the description, and you can join through that, and you get my exact entries and exits. And so, not to say any bluff about this. When I say I like a trade, I put my real money in. And so when I go to my Discord and you see RTK swing trades, I'll show you an example of one of my trades here. So right here, limit order to buy HSD 1.79, and I tell you exactly what I'm thinking, going a smaller size and accumulating this. So I'm thinking right here, I got it at 1.79. I'm up quite a bit, right? It's 1.88 as we speak. Could it go back down to my average? Absolutely. I'm not going to say I can get the most precise bottom, but I can say this to you guys. I know this thing is looking very close to a bottom, and I think we can get a nice run up here very soon. And the reason why I say is, according to the system, when you touch the bottom band, it is a buy zone. But it does not mean you get in right away. I was watching this candle right here, and I just didn't have enough time to learn it because I was at the beach. This candle went all the way down, even penetrated the bottom band. You get nice averages, and guess what it does? It shoots up all the way to like 350 from a 260 area. I looked at it, it was up like 50% pre-market, and I was like, holy crap. I missed that play, but now we're getting another signal. We're only getting these areas to buy at the bottom zone because this is where your best versus risk versus reward. If it goes down like this candle, which it can, then we can just average down and put more money into it. I'm not trying to get the absolute bottom, but I have a nice accumulation rules that I know when to take profit and scale out to get nice consistent wins, right? And I tell people, getting those 10% gains, 20% gains, they add up fast, and we scale out and then hold some shares for the home run hit. Now, what do I think this can go to? Here is the best part about this system here. And I'm going to show you guys, not a lot of people see this, and I didn't know this before. We can start looking to target your EMA 10s and 20s. And these ATR bands are customized. So when price goes down below to them, they are extremely oversold, but we need to know how much distance do we have for a target, and that's this right here, the EMA 10. This tells us how much we can look for a nice gain. Obviously, these are going to fluctuate as you see the band goes down, but these bands will get hit. Any chart you look at, when a price goes down, guess what happens? They touch the EMA 10 and 20. Price goes down, they touch the EMA 10 and 20. It does it constantly and constantly and constantly. I use these two EMAs because they are the most consistent. Anything higher is not consistent. Look at this massive gain this could have got you. We have time distance right in here, and I'm going to discuss this more and more and more. Time distance is when price leaves the EMA 10. So we're going to count this one because it's practically touching it. This candle right here is not touching the EMA 10. As you can see, there's a distance right here. So when it doesn't touch it, then that is called time distance. So we have right here, we're going to count it because it's so close. So right here, it doesn't touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count every 5 candles as a week. And we look to wait for 2 to 3 weeks of time distance. So we go in again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then once we go here, we're not really close to the lower band. It's not really a bad entry, but we also have a high KDJ, which is down here. I would like a higher KDJ or lower KDJ if we're not at that lower band. We get a nice little move up here, but you could make some gains, but then it goes back down. This right in here is what I was saying is price has to hit the EMA 10. And look what it does it from a low $11 to $14, then all the way $13 and then $14 hitting the EMA 20. It's going to hit those two EMA 10s, but as you can see, price is imbalanced right here. The picture looks terrible. The algos are not going to have a chart that just goes straight down forever and ever and ever without corrections. That's not how charting works. Prices go up and prices go down. It's our goal to buy low and sell high and get in early so that when the price does go to this EMA 20, we can collect our gains because price could easily go back down or it could go up. That's the switch and bait. And I see that a lot of times people are buying on your EMA 10s and 20s and they're like, well, why did it go down? Is because the algos did what they had to do. The price now can do whatever it wants, right? So right in here, I would love to see a nice lower wick. The market's still open. It's 3:50 p.m. I just wanted you guys get this video out because I am very bullish on this. I don't mind putting some more money into it. I see this going up quite a bit. And my target rated now is 3.32. That's going to fluctuate the next day. As you can see, 364, 332. I am totally happy with anything over $2. As this last spike went from 250 to 358. We can easily get back over to $2 as we were well over that just, 2 days ago. I think it's very nice. Also, we have nice volume, 1 million and another million, 12 million on that one. And then the volume wasn't as good as here, but we are picking up steam here. And then you can even look at weekly candles for kind of the bigger cap stocks. If you see it closer to that lower band, that is good. And every time frame has to correct to the middle bands. And so if I see that, I go to lower time frames, right? And right here, I'm going to tell you guys is how we got an entry. I see that right here. This is the 15 minute. You can look at, I just chose the lower wick here at 1.79. Just in case if it doesn't do a lower wick, we can at least get in and test this. What I like to see on the 15 minute is, are we below the band for an entry? Because buying it right here, it could easily go back down just like any other time frame and go below the band. Wow, it's at 1.90. That's insane from our entries. We bought it at 1.79, as I can show you right here in the Discord. Limit order to buy HSD, 1.79 before it even has hit the price. I bought it, price was at 186. I alerted it, we're going to try to get a little scalp here, see if we get those lows, and that's what we did. So that's the importance of, how we do the trading of trend reversals. Because once this goes up 50%, 20%, 30%, I'm not chasing it. And if anything, I'm selling my shares to the chasers. And then, obviously we've seen it with ALLR. I can show you, I alerted this one and we got it for 100% gain. As you can see right in here, massive spike. I was at the beach. Look at this massive spike. And if you were chasing this, you are bag holding tremendously, as it has never had a relief rally other than these little pre-market spikes. And it's been going down ever since from $3 to 76 cents. HSDT could very well do the same thing. We want to get in early and sell it on the spikes, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do consider joining the premium Discord. It's only 20 cents a day. And the reason why I want to make it so cheap, so that anybody can do this strategy. Doesn't matter what your account is. That's how I founded it as, and I want to keep it that way. Only 20 cents a day, $6 a month. If you're willing to give me your time, you're willing to be taught, willing to put the dedication in, and obviously, put a little resources into something like this, I have no doubt that you can win. And like I said, I have trades to prove, dozens and dozens of trades that I have over 95% win ratio of only losing one trade in 8 months. And I developed my system to counteract that one trade that I lost, because I'm always updating the system, right? If something just doesn't go as planned, I go back and I'm a man about it. I'm like, okay, this is what we did wrong. This is how we're going to fix it. But still, I look for an exit plan, and I'm in the fire with you guys so that we can all get out, at a good time, right? So yeah, you're going to get my entries and exits on RTK Swing Trades. You get my education videos, how to trade options, how to do how to set up your chart. And then we have a little music channel so everyone can, just relax after the market. But when you click down below into the link below to join the subscription service, I'll pin it and say, join the premium Discord for my system and alerts. And it'll be also in my YouTube description. When you click that link, it takes you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is go ahead to the subscriptions tab and hit premium chat. And it is best if you do it on computer because it avoids the iOS fee. It is $6, but if you do it on your iPhone, it will be slightly more expensive, right? Because Discord charges a fee. And also, if you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer. So if you have an Android, do message me. I can help you with that if you don't have a computer. So I just want to let you guys know HSDT is going, it's already going up as I speak from 179. And I'm also in another trade. I'm not going to give out all my free trades today. I was just going to make this video for a little teaser if you guys wanted to get in and kind of see like kind of a hint and like kind of see what I'm thinking about. I hope you guys do try to join, because we're changing lives out here, and we're not, this service is not to take money from you guys. It's more to teach you guys a strategy that works, because I've tried every strategy, momentums and options. I've lost on every one but this strategy, and that's why it has an over 95% win ratio, because you let the market come to you, and there's no like, well, I think about this, I think the fundamentals should do this. It's just, what does the system tell you? If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think, and any type of engagement will actually spread the video to other more users, and more people that are bag holding or just don't understand stocks. They can see a system that works and utilize it, and it really does help me want to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I'll catch you guys in the Discord. Peace out.